Hola, ¿qué onda? ¿Cómo estás? Espero que estés muy bien. Bienvenido o bienvenida a esta lección. Welcome to today's lesson. Now, today I'm going to be teaching you some awesome Mexican slang words and phrases. The other day, I was up in Santa Cruz in California here, Santa Cruz, and some of my friends are asking me, hey, Nate, I want to know how to say some Mexican phrases to kind of surprise people, or just, because there's a lot of Mexican Spanish speakers around here, what are some things I could say that are specifically Mexican? So that gave me the idea, why don't I make today's lesson about just that? So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number one is, ¿Qué onda, güey? Now, this is a very amazing, beautiful Mexican phrase. We could cut off this little way part right here, but this basically means what's up, dude, or what's up, man. If we cut off the little way right here, it would just be ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? What's up? ¿Qué onda? Way. Now, just be aware that way can be offensive. If you say that to someone that you don't know, it can seem a little strong, okay? Between friends, it's very common. You hear it a lot, okay? Me and my friends say it to each other all the time, okay? Literally every time we talk, whether it's on the phone or in person, every single time we see each other, it's ¿Qué onda, way? Hey, what's going on, man? So, way means dude. This is kind of the Mexican version of dude. Now, we've got the two little dots over the U. That just gives it that kind of U sound like we have in English, of like penguin, kind of this W sound. So way. Normally we don't have that in Spanish. It would kind of be like ue, but it's way in this case, okay? That's why I put the W here, because in Spanish we never have W's, but because this is a slang word, way, a lot of times when I text my friends or I respond to people, I just type it as this because it's easier to type than doing the little double, I forget what it's called, to be honest, and I apologize for that, but the two little dots above the U, okay? So, ¿Qué onda, güey? What's up, dude? ¿Qué translates to what? Onda actually literally translates to wave, like a frequency wave. What wave, dude? Sounds kind of weird, but it just means, what's up, dude? Okay? Next, neta. I love this one. Neta means for real, or like, are you serious? Neta? Like someone says, hey, Nate, I just won $1 million. I mean, neta? And then I'm going to say, no manches, neta? Like, for real, neta? Now, neta, you could also say like, truthfully or honestly, yada, yada, yada. La neta, a mí no me gusta, blah, blah, blah. Okay? La neta, honestly, to be honest, truthfully, I don't like blah, blah, blah. La neta, no me gusta, blah, blah. Okay? ¿Qué onda, güey? What's up, dude? Neta, or la neta, the truth, or like for real. If you're saying, for real? La neta? Neta? Okay? Next is no manches. Okay? This means no way, or stop joking around. Okay? You're kidding. No manches. Like for real? No way. You're joking. Now, I put this right here because this is kind of this is like more of a swear. It's a vulgar way to say it. This is just a softer way. This is a stronger way. So if I say no mames, that's like, whoa, okay, that's like very strong, like no effing way is basically what that means. No mames, okay? Now, this is kind of funny. No manches literally translates to do not stain, okay? Manchar is to stain, and una mancha is a stain. So when I say no manches, that literally means don't stain. But it just means no way, like you're kidding. Or like if someone says like a joke to you and you're like, come on, man, no manches, like come on. Okay? Now, mames, no mames actually comes from the verb mamar, meaning to breastfeed. Okay? So this is a kind of interesting thing. When I say no mames, it literally means don't breastfeed. Okay? Once again, no mames is strong. Okay? It's like a swear. Okay? But no manches, if you say that, it's not nearly as strong. So it's better probably to say no manches. Like, no way, get out of here, that kind of idea. Órale. This means like right on, or like, oh, like awesome. Like you're happy about something, or you're like surprised by something. So you tell me, Nate, I just won $1 million. Like, órale. Like, no way. Like, oh, that's awesome. Like, cool. Amazing. Right on. That's kind of órale. Like, when I tell people a lot of times, oh yeah, I learned Spanish in high school, and yeah, people are like, oh, órale, like right on, like, oh, that's cool, like, órale, like, it's kind of like a thing of encouragement. Okay? Aguas. This is a really good one. This doesn't mean waters, while it can. Aguas means like careful, be careful. Now, the reason that we say aguas, which literally does mean waters, is because back in the day, when people would throw dirty water out of their windows and whatnot, or out of their things, they would say aguas to let people know, hey, look out, I'm throwing dirty water out onto the street or whatever. So aguas became this idea of, hey, look out, be careful. Okay, so your friend's walking and he's not looking, in the street, and a car's coming, hey, aguas, wait. Like, hey, be careful. Like, there's a car coming, right? Aguas. Okay, be careful. Pinche. This is like the F word. This actually in Spain means like a kitchen helper, like a dishwasher. Like if I just said soy el pinche, that would be fine. It means, hey, I'm the kitchen aide, I'm the kitchen helper. But in Mexico, pinche is like the F word. Vamos a comprar un pinche carro. I don't know. We're gonna buy an effing car. Okay, so basically you put it before the object. So I'm trying to think of an example here. A mí me gusta ese pinche juego. I like that effing game. Why you would say that, I don't know, but there you have it. Okay, so pinche, that's going to know. It's kind of like the F word. All right, moving on. Let's go over here, make sure you can see this without my cowboy hat getting in the way. Next, chido. This is like cool. Oh, está chido. Oh, that's cool. Okay, chido. Cool. I love this one. For example, I remember when I was in Mexico for the first time, and I remember with my friend, and I remember his little cousin saying to him, hey, like, your friend is cool. Like, tu amigo es chido. Like, he's cool. Está chido el juego. I don't know. The game is cool. Está muy chido. Está muy chido. It's very cool. Okay? Next, padre. Okay? While this means father, right? Normally, it can also mean a priest. Padre means cool as well. So, está muy padre. It's very cool. So we have this idea in Spanish of like something that's padre is something that's good. It's cool. Madre, on the other hand, can be something that's bad. And also, una madre, while it can mean mother, can also mean like a weird thing, like something like that you don't know the name of, right? So if I say, like, it's almost like a whatchamacallit. Oh, what's that thingamabob, that whatchamacallit? Oye, ¿me pasas esa madre? No sé cómo se llama. Like, would you pass me that thing? I don't know what it's called. Esa madre, that thing. Okay? You can also say a poca madre, which is like awesome kind of thing. All right, next, very important word to know, and that is chela. So instead of you always saying cerveza, which means beer, you can now say chela, which is beer in Mexican Spanish. Of course, if I'm speaking Spanish, I can still say cerveza, but chela is kind of the Mexican version of beer. Okay, una chela. Hey, vamos por unas chelas. Hey, let's go get some beers. Vamos por unas chelas. Let's go get some beers. Okay? Chela, beer. Pedo. This is a very, very interesting Mexican slang word, and it is a good one to know. Because you're gonna hear it probably a lot. Now, pedo can take on more or less like three main meanings. Okay? Normally, the word pedo means fart. And yes, it still means fart in Mexico. Okay? Oye, echaste un pedo? Okay? Huele muy mal. Okay? Hey, did you fart? Like, it smells bad. Okay, pedo, fart. We've also got que pedo. So, un pedo is like a problem. It can be a problem. Ay, que pedo. Oh, like, oh my gosh, what a problem. Okay, que pedo. You also have que pedo, like, what's going on? Like, this is kind of more vulgar. Okay, like, it's almost like what the F is going on, or because, hey, what's going on? Is everything okay? Que pedo. Okay. So we've got pedo can mean a fart, it can mean a problem, it can mean like what's going on, and it can also mean I am drunk. Estoy pedo, okay? Being drunk, okay? Pedo can mean drunk, okay? So instead of saying estoy borracho, you can say estoy pedo, okay? Ando bien pedo is something you might hear. I am so drunk. Ando bien pedo, way, okay? I am so drunk. And then a hangover, we could say estoy crudo, okay? Crudo, literally meaning raw. Crudo is a hangover, okay? Oh, ando bien crudo, way. Like, I am so hungover, dude. Okay? Pedo. Fart, problem, what's going on, and also drunk. Okay? This one is going to maybe take a little bit of time to learn, but it is a good one to know. Next is la chamba. Chamba is like a job. Now, la chamba isn't necessarily a good job. A chamba is like, I work in like construction or something like that, and like, I gotta go to my chamba. Like I gotta go to my job. It's not necessarily, it's something that pays your bills. Now, people can also refer to their job, whether they like it or not, as la chamba, but, more often than not, it's kind of like, la chamba. Now, we also have the verb chambear, meaning to work. So instead of saying trabajar, we can say chambear. So chambear means to work like work hard. A lot of times you'll hear that in songs where they'll say chambear or whatever, and that kind of means like, yeah, we've worked hard or I've worked hard or whatever, okay? But la chamba is work. And finally, we have la chamarra, okay? Chamarra is a jacket. Now, in Mexican Spanish, we don't say chaqueta because that can kind of be an inappropriate thing. It can mean like masturbation. So instead, we say chamarra, okay? So if you're ever in Mexico, don't say chaqueta. Say chamarra, which is a jacket. Now, another interesting thing is that in Mexico, when we're talking about a shirt, okay, like a t-shirt, we'll say la playera, la playera. So instead of la camiseta, we would say la playera. Now, la playera is like a t-shirt. La camiseta is more so like an undershirt, okay? I think it can also be like kind of like a tank top. And then we've got la camisa, which is a shirt like what I'm wearing right now, a button-up shirt with a collar, okay? So there you have it. There are your Mexican words. Feel free to take a photo of these if you would so please. I'll let you get the photo there, okay? Get the photo here. And I want to say muchas gracias. Thanks so much. Te lo agradezco mucho. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you watching these videos. And if you'd like to learn more Spanish with me, you can check out my website, SpanishWithNate.com, where I teach you fluent Spanish and also Mexican Spanish as well. So, like I said, check that out, SpanishWithNate.com. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave me a comment on this video, or you can email me at support@SpanishWithNate.com. Bueno, muchas gracias. Espero que tengas muy buen día y que te vaya muy bien. Adiós.